In this how-to video, I am going to show you how to add a clause into a contract and give you some background information on your clause library. Now, every time you execute a contract within the plain vanilla platform, our sophisticated AI keeps adding to your personal clause library. Now, once you open a contract, simply click the Insert Clause button at the top. This will take you to your library. If you want to insert a blank clause, and type it from scratch, just toggle over the blank clause and pick where you want it to go inside of your contract. To search your clause library, simply pick a word or a key phrase. It'll start searching, and all of the relevant clauses with those words will populate. You can choose which one you'd like to select. We show you how many times it's been used and with who. You can highlight the clause and preview the text below. Then pick where you want the clause to go, and voila! Your clause is inserted. You can also make edits to this clause just like you would any other clause. Now, enjoy not writing your clauses from scratch anymore.